Hi everyone, Jay here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. First thing I want you to do is hit that subscribe button so you can be updated on any future videos that are released from my channel. You'll be the first to know about them. Second thing is I want to let you know before I go through what I'm about to. This is going to be an ultimate training guide for newbie affiliate marketers. I'm going to cover that in a minute. It's a free gift to all my new YouTube subscribers, and you can access what I'm going to be going over here instantly directly below this video. It's going to be the first link in the video description box. So just click that link and you can sign up for this, and it's going to direct you directly over to this page that I'm going to be covering right here. And it's an awesome free gift, and this is very, very helpful for new affiliate marketers just starting out. It's the ultimate training guide for newbie affiliate marketers, complete with video tutorials that will show you step by step how to start your very own affiliate marketing business from the comfort of your own home. Warning, I highly suggest that you take the time to digest this affiliate marketing training material cover to cover. Alright, now this is it. This is what you're going to be getting access to once you click that link below the video in the video description box. I got a cool little frog there on his computer, nice little pic. This is where I go over myself, my affiliate marketing experience when I started out, all that good stuff, and how I basically learned affiliate marketing and continue to do so. I've been doing this for 13 years, and it tells you a little bit about me right here. And then I get into my ultimate guide on how to start your own affiliate marketing business, where I cover what is affiliate marketing, how to make money as an affiliate marketer, and how to start your own affiliate marketing business. And I give you some examples. What affiliate programs should I sign up for to find potentially lucrative affiliate programs to promote? And I give you some of my favorite networks affiliate networks that I personally use and continue to use to find quality affiliate products to promote. I go through that here. A couple of my favorites. I go into a lot of detail. I also show you, and this is complete with videos too. I can easily put a price tag on this. It's a very good training for newbie affiliate marketers just starting out and want to get their feet wet, who want to learn about affiliate marketing, what programs to sign up for, how to create an affiliate link, how to start your own blog, all that good stuff. I'm basically covering all that in this ultimate affiliate marketing training guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with ClickBank. This is an older video. I don't see a need to make a new one on this because I made numerous ones on it back in the day, but it still pertains, to ClickBank as it is now. All the same stuff applies. It's going to show you how to create affiliate links, how to sign up for an account, and all that good stuff. So definitely watch that. And then I'm talking about another one of my favorite affiliate programs here, and this is a screenshot from one of my good days affiliate marketing. And it shows you how JVZoo for beginners, how to make money using JVZoo. And this is going to tell you the basics of affiliate marketing. So how do you create an affiliate hop link so you can get paid as an affiliate? This is going to be your bread and butter for any affiliate marketer, is how to create your affiliate link. And I tell you how to do that and why cloaking is important. This is not my video, but I added it to this page. It's very helpful how to create and cloak affiliate links with WordPress. You can watch that. Now the really good stuff, should you start a website or blog? I talk about that. And then I give you some recommendations in there. And then I tell you how to pick, buy, and sell profitable domain names. If you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, you want to start your own blog or website, which I recommend, I tell you how to go to GoDaddy and find the perfect domain name for your new. Give you some tips on how to find a domain name for your new blog or website. How to drive traffic to your affiliate offer so you can make some money. Obviously, without traffic, you're not going to make any sales as an affiliate marketer. So I tell you how to do that. Give you some tips. You can see how long this is. How to start an affiliate marketing business on Facebook. I cover that and give you some basic tips on how to get started with Facebook. This is very important when it comes to affiliate marketing. Why starting an email list would be the best investment you ever make for your online business. This is where the majority of your money is going to come from, an email list. I go over it's about 90% of the money you make is going to come directly from your email list, which is very important. Once you get the basics down, you start one sooner rather than later. I tell you who I use. I also give you a free link for 30 days um, to sign up for a free trial with my recommended email service provider. Obviously, you can use who you want. That's just my recommendation, who I use. And then I show you, this is a really good video. I made this a couple years back. Actually, it's 3 years old. But it tells you how to set up an email marketing funnel. And this will be a little more advanced once you get the basics down. But like I said, this is going to be your bread and butter, your business. And it's a very valuable video where I show you how to set up email follow-up sequences in your email list using my recommended email service provider. So the question still remains, how do you make your first sale online as an affiliate marketer? So that's the good stuff. I share that with you here. In conclusion, what to expect from your affiliate marketing journey, how I started off, how I continue to do this to this day, how I continue to learn all that stuff. And I go through that. Helpful resources to find the highest paying affiliate programs on your affiliate marketing journey that pay over $1,000 per sale. In most cases, I give you a link to an excellent post that shows you where you can find those high ticket commissions affiliate programs to promote. Bonus affiliate marketing training webinar that I watched that is very helpful for affiliate marketers in 2020. This is a very good video. I actually learned a lot from this video as well. I've been doing this for a long time, so take the time to watch that. And I give you a suggestion below the video you can check out as well, and a bunch of other cool stuff. So that's that. This post is huge. It's almost 7,000 words. Like I said, you see all the videos in there. It comes complete with video training and all that good stuff that I just covered. It's excellent information for newbie affiliate marketers. If you're just getting started affiliate marketing, definitely take the time to sign up for this. Now below the video in the video description box, this is where it's going to lead you to. You're just going to click that access the full training guide here. Once you click that link, it's going to take you here, and then you're going to sign up for the course. And then that's basically it's going to lead you directly over to the page that I just showed you right here. You can bookmark it, learn at your convenience, watch the videos, and all that good stuff. But you're going to learn a lot of it. You're going to get a lot of value from this training here, and it's free, so you can't beat it. With that being said, hit the like button on this video. I'd appreciate it. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel for future video updates. And that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you enjoy your affiliate marketing training. Talk to you later. Bye.